Yeah, next myth regarding treadmills is that, friends, why need a treadmill? We can, like, every day go out and work out. Why to spend? When I purchased it, it was around somewhere, the price was 47, logistics and this thing, this uh, stabilizer I purchased because it was recommended by the OEM, original equipment manufacturer, that because this electronic console itself costs around 12,000. So for that he said, like, these electronic things are sensitive to voltage. Mechanical things like motors, belts, they won't be affected, but these electronic devices are very voltage sensitive. So he said, like, go for a stabilizer. So this one I purchased for another 3K. So lump sum you can say around 52 to 53 I spent at that time. But okay, now the thing is why I spent. So by spending that amount, friend, I made sure that it has burnt a hole in my pocket. So due to that reason also I will be definitely using it, because everyone loves his or her hard-earned money. Next is, friends, now I cannot have an excuse like, today is rainy day, I won't go out. Today is winter day, it's foggy, I cannot go out. So it's like under a sunroof, you do not have an excuse at all. Next is regarding next myth. The next myth I won't say. Next is just, friends, I want to make a small demo of my treadmill which I own. Probably this model is out of stock now, because model does not become out of stock. This mechanical part will forever remain the same. There is a motor, there is a belt, but these electronic things, they bring out as small tweaks every year, because, friends, electronics is the most fast growing market in the world. So every day you have some kind of new technology: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, disconnect, pod connect, share connect. Only this console will change. So with respect to 2016 model only, I want to make this demo. Friends, this is the treadmill I own. The model was called Essential Run. You can see at that time. The folding feature I have already shown you. It's supported by a hydraulic lever. So while folding, you have to just push it up, and while you are bringing it down, since it's a hydraulic lever, you don't have to do anything. You just give one small nice kick, and it's hydraulic taking care of. You need not worry. Like, it won't be falling so hard on the floor. It's totally shock proof. Next, regarding the functionalities, friends, this is the safety catch. You should definitely fix it when you are about to start the program. Friends, the treadmill I own had features like, there were 4 pre-programmed calorie burning programs. Like, if you are targeting the calorie, you are a fat person, you have a target of, I have to bring down 400 calories, 500 calories, whatever, 200, 300, 400, 600, that way. And these are performance programs for the cardio lovers, like people who are maybe fit, but people who don't have fat issues maybe, but still for fitness purpose they want to everyday workout. And this is like, these performance programs are for them. Hill climb, sprint intervals, hill climb 2, and next is speed run, like pure cardio lovers who are like real runners. And the other features it has, friends, is like, it has a speed ranging from 2 km per hour to 14 km per hour. Then there is this inclination thing, like it will incline the belt. It has an inclination of 0 to 10 degrees. So I'm giving the inclination. You can see a motor humming sound. It's slowly inclining the belt. Further inclination. Okay, friends, that's just for demo. I got the so while shooting the video itself, I'll just take a small walk in my treadmill. I'm setting the program speed at a very low speed, because I have to hold my mobile phone also. And with this small speed, I'm giving little bit of inclination. I'm stopping the video, friends, because this is not at all the way you should work out wearing sandals and slippers. I was in my home in a very casual mood when I thought of making this video. Okay. Okay. Regarding technical specifications, friends, when I purchased it, it had a motor of 1450 kilowatt. Sorry, 1.5 kilowatt or 1450 watt. And rest is it has a DC motor, variable speed DC motor. According to your speed command, the speed of the motor varies, things like that. And the belt is joined at this place, so if your belt gets cut in any portion while in the long run eventually, so they will bring another belt, and this is the way the belt joining was done. Just regarding treadmill maintenance, friends, 4 years no maintenance at all. And one thing the guys from Decathlon said me, one thing that can be done for maintenance purposes, this is belt spray, friends. It's like silicone spray, lubricant kind of stuff. So you have to just fix the pipe here. There is a nozzle, and beneath the belt you have to spray this silicone lubricant. So it will keep the loading on the motor less, so that way your treadmill will last for longer periods. Yes, friends, this model is out of date, I guess. Now in the year 2020, basic functions will not change, never. The mechanical parts. Only thing is in April of 2020, now if you go to a Decathlon showroom, everything will be same, but you will get a much colorful, brighter Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, C-Fi, D-Fi connected things. But otherwise things will be same. Like they will have more pre-programmed programs, because these software parts are easy to install, but mechanical parts are like these are always same. And just as a happy user for the last 5 years, I want to tell everyone, if you don't have one, go for one, and myths will be always there. But proudly being a user for the last 4 years, and there has absolutely been no hitch from my side. Rest like getting overheated, consuming a lot of space. Why do I need a treadmill? I can go in the park, I can I can go out to this jungle, that place. Yeah, definitely you should, but like, what about the odd days when, like, in your out of your busy schedule, you didn't make a chance? At least it's a backup, so that you don't have an option to skip your everyday cardio or whatever workouts you are taking, and stay fit. Okay, friends, together we will fight corona and be inside house. Respect the lockdown period. Bye bye. Thanks. Jai Hind.